Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up product photography workflow using Adobe Lightroom, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your workspace is well lit and organized. Gather all equipment needed for product photography, including your camera, tripod, and lighting setup. Select the products you want to photograph and prepare them for shooting by cleaning and arranging them attractively. Set up your camera on the tripod to maintain stability and consistency in your shots. Adjust your camera settings for optimal exposure, focusing on ISO, aperture, and shutter speed. Take test shots to check lighting and exposure, making necessary adjustments as needed. Once satisfied with the camera settings, begin photographing your products in a consistent manner. Transfer the images to your computer and open Adobe Lightroom for editing. Import your photos into Lightroom, selecting the folder where your images are stored. Organize your images into collections based on product type or shoot date for easy access. Use the library module to cull and flag your best images, excluding any that are out of focus or poorly lit. Switch to the Develop module to start editing your selected photos. Begin by adjusting the crop and alignment for each image, ensuring the product is centered and well framed. Adjust the exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows to enhance the product's details. Utilize the white balance tool to correct any color casts and achieve true-to-life colors. Apply clarity and vibrance adjustments for added depth and richness in the colors. Make use of spot healing and cloning tools to remove any blemishes or distractions from the background. Save your edits and consider exporting the images in appropriate formats for your intended use. Choose resolutions that fit your needs, whether for web display or print. Consider batch editing similar images to save time, applying settings to multiple photos simultaneously. Review all finished images to ensure consistency in style and quality. Finally, organize and back up your finished images to prevent loss and ensure easy retrieval in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.